You have coffee too? Is that tea?
Tea.
Jasmine tea, white tea, black tea, red tea, or green tea? Green
Red
tea.
tea, red tea.
Red tea. Gotcha.
Yes,
Ginger tea?
just red tea.
Which province are you from?
I'm from China. Yeah.
Nice. And which province are you from?
Which province?
你来自哪个省?
I'm from Hunan, but I'm living Shanghai now.
And what is your major?
Major finance.
Finance. So you like money.
Yes, very much. Everybody like money.
Do you like my mug?
Your mark.
Yeah, do you like it?
What you mean?
MUG, like my cup, coffee mug.
Oh,
Coffee.
yes. Sorry, my English is very bad.
没事，没关系.
Your Chinese is very good. Have you ever been China?
Yes.
Which 哪个省?
I was in Beijing.
Beijing. Oh, how long?
1 year.
1 year. Oh, it's very long time. Do you like Beijing?
I do.
It's great.
Why do you want to learn English?
Just like English. Someday I want traveling another countries. And what's time there?
The time here is 9 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, here is 9 p.m. in the night.
Did you eat?
Yes.
Do you like eating heavy dinners or light dinners?
I don't know. I just like eating what I'm like eating.
At night, do you eat a lot or do you eat a little?
It's decided the dinner is good or bad. If it's very good, I will eat it a lot.